Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of white screen on the application of Pinterest. You will click on settings like this. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about Pinterest app as you see and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.